Hi everyone, my name is Iji. Today I will present improving your mesh with Moldex3D Structure Mesh. Before we go into today's topic, I will show you the copyright. Okay, today there are 4 sections in this presentation. The first one is the introduction of Moldex3D Studio. The second one is the features of the surface mesh. Third one is features of the structure mesh. The last part is a simple case to show you how to use the structure mesh in Moldex in Studio. Okay, for the first part, what is Moldex3D Studio? Studio is a platform for pre-processing and post-processing of Moldex3D. As I mentioned, Studio is a pre-processing and post-processing of Moldex3D. In pre-processing part, user can manage simulation, can import CAD into the Moldex3D Studio to create mesh file and set the material property and the process condition, then run the simulation. In post-processing part, user can display and compare computation result in Studio. User also can use the prop function to have an internal value of part. User also can measure displacements in Studio. Studio also support output report, video snapshot, and process data sheet. Otherwise, if user interested in API, Studio also support API. If you want to understand more information about the API, you can follow our information or contact with Moldex3D staff. We will provide you more information about the API. This slide shows you what kinds of modules Moldex3D Studio support. User can reference this slide. Okay, in this slide, I just want to show you a workflow of Studio. As I mentioned, Studio is a pre-processing and a post-processing platform.